Hi, this is Tushar Randan from 99 Workouts. I'm back at you with, of course, a new guest. Every time whosoever has featured in this has come out with their inside story, which has been very relevant to the current times and exactly appropriate to showcase on 99 Workouts. It's very, very important to have real people who follow exercise, who do things in terms of promoting health and fitness. But this story is slightly very different. We do a lot of changes in our career, in the sense that maybe we switch from one company to other, or we join from one gym to the other gym. But when a person moves from one profession, totally goes and moves into another profession just purely because of the passion, then we need to know who this person is. She's a well-known, it's too early to tell you everything. Why don't you follow me? I need to introduce this guest, and it's such a beautiful place right here. You have to see to believe who this person is. I have known her for a long, long time. I think more than 20 years, nearly. So let me introduce to our dear guest. She's so beautiful, so wonderful. That's Swati. Hi Swati. So nice to see you after ages. And believe me, 99 वर्कआउट्स के कारण मुझे उन लोगों से मिलना का मौका मिल रहा है जो पूना में रहकर 15-15 साल के बाद मैं मिल रहा हूँ. लेकिन एक चीज़ है, इनको मैं फॉलो करता हूँ और मुझे पता है कि ये एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, ये लोग फिटनेस में इन्वॉल्व हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि जस्ट फोटोग्राफ डाल रहे हैं और कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. सो 99 वर्कआउट्स में फीचर करने के लिए टू क्वालिफाई, the person needs to really be part of the fitness activity. That's how I'm featuring people and selecting such people who can talk, who can motivate you. This is all about motivation. So Swati, tell me something. I've seen you working out for donkey's years. I think when we go back 2 years in 2000 or something, you've been working out since then.
Yeah.
And you had a major transition in terms of, I remember you were from the banking sector. So how did this happen? How does this transition from entirely from banking, regular work, office job, to fitness as a profession now?
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, fitness has always been a very, very huge part of my life. Probably since my childhood, since I used to dance since I was 4 years old.
Right.
Okay, so I have a master's in Kathak dance, and I'm musically very inclined. I got trained in a lot of musical activities, so that kept me active. So when I came to Pune, I continued that trend even as a student.
Okay.
And then life takes over. You take up a job, you complete your MBA, you do a job, etc. And but fitness was something which was always there. You won't believe this, I would pick up my bag and leave office at 6 o'clock every evening, and that was such a huge problem for my bosses.
Okay.
Always. So a time came, after 18 years in the corporates,
Right.
I decided that enough. If I don't do it now, I will never do it. Yeah. So, against my family's desires that I should continue as a banker or as a finance person or as a marketing person, I decided that I need to start doing something which I really, really feel from my heart.
Okay.
So I went and did a certification in yoga. I used to always practice yoga.
Right.
Thanks to Naveen Bajaj. He used to take kickboxing classes, but he had taught us Surya Namaskar. That is how I got into practicing Surya Namaskar, and it gave me an entry into yoga.
Oh, wow.
Okay. So finally I did my certification in yoga. Then I did a certification in Zumba because I always loved dancing. I also have a background in Latin dancing.
Yes.
I did 10 years of salsa. I learned it from some well-known teachers out here. So I always had I always wanted to do something where I'm physically active and I don't grow old. Like I'll grow old biologically,
Right.
but not, maybe chronologically, but not biologically.
Right, exactly.
You understand? Yeah. So by numbers I might get older, but I will always remain fit and strong. So that was
तो आपने
always-
सुना स्वाति अराउंड 18 साल कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में रह चुकी हैं, 10 साल लैटिन सालसा डांस प्रैक्टिस वगैरह किया है, परफॉर्म किया है, ट्रेडिशनल डांस फॉर्म्स किया है, इतना MBA ग्रेजुएट है और इतने सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस होने के बाद इन्होंने इतना बड़ा डिसीजन लिया कि बैंकिंग सेक्टर को छोड़कर फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Of course, as you said, that it was a tough decision.
Yeah.
But today, when you stand here with me, do you think you made the right decision?
Yes, absolutely. See, there are ups and downs in every profession. I'm not saying that it's a free flow for me.
Right.
I really struggled. It's been 3 years now in this profession, and it was a lot of struggle initially. But now I've come to a place where I'm getting known by people.
Right.
I'm making a brand for myself,
Right, right.
And I'm a freelancer. I don't even own a studio of my own, but people still
Right.
recognize me. They know me,
Right.
and they respect the knowledge that I have in this field.
Right.
Yeah, has to be. 20 years I've
Yes,
been
yes,
working
yes,
out,
yes,
so
of course, of course.
that
No
knowledge
doubt.
is there.
No doubt.
I also did a course in personal training from K11 8-9 years back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I never pursued that as a personal trainer. At that time, Endurance had offered me that you join us as a personal trainer.
Okay.
But since I was working with Kotak Bank, I
Right.
refused that offer.
Right.
But so knowledge-wise, it's there inside me, and I'm getting a lot of respect. And the best thing is, I am involved with people who are probably half my age, and it's so much fun because youth is always around.
Right, right,
There's
right.
always young people around. I
Right.
take Zumba for them, and they love it. They enjoy it,
Right.
and it's just a lot of happiness.
Right.
And at the end of the day, I'm tired and I sleep like a log, which was something that I used to not do when I was in my corporate
Okay.
career.
So tell me, Swati, for our viewers, how's a typical day like for you? Like, do you wake up very early? You've got
Yes.
back-to-back classes.
Yes.
How's it spread out?
So, see, I am not training in one discipline, right?
Okay.
I have multiple disciplines. So, I have Zumba, yoga, functional Pilates.
Oh, okay.
Okay? And I have personal training.
Okay.
So, I have private clients
Right.
who I go to their houses. I also give them therapy. So, I have clients who suffer from back problems, spinal problems,
So
cervical
interesting.
problems.
Yeah,
So, I work as a healer with them.
Oh, nice.
Okay, and I take them from a place where they are not able to move to where they start doing weights. I've got a client who's 73 years old, and he's been working out with me for the past 2 years, and he's lost weight. He started lifting weights, and he is so happy and enthusiastic about it. That brings me so much
Of course,
a sense
of
of
course.
satisfaction which nothing in life
Of
will.
course.
So, like I was saying, that my typical day is I wake up very early in the morning. I have classes in the morning, and then I have classes again in the evening. Afternoon, I get a window of 2-3 hours where I come home, I have my lunch, etc. Then from 3:34 onwards, I'm again out.
So, how much time does Swati spend on herself for her personal workout in between this?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, thankfully, since I'm connected to gyms,
Right.
and this is my life,
Right.
machines
Right.
are my life.
Right.
So I put in at least about everywhere I go, post a Zumba workout or post a yoga class, I will go and put in at least half an hour of weight training
So,
to
you're
myself.
working out at least 6 days a week, right?
Yeah, 6 days a week.
Okay. And also?
Half an hour to 45 minutes for myself,
Right.
but I keep doing it along with people.
Right.
So if you go to see, I'm working out like almost 3 to 4 hours every day.
So I think one important question जो मैं अपने 99 वर्कआउट्स के व्यूअर्स के तरफ से भी पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये बहुत बड़ा मिथ है जो क्योंकि आप वेट ट्रेनिंग में इन्वॉल्व हैं, पिलाटेस में इन्वॉल्व हैं, योगा में इन्वॉल्व हैं, these are all different forms.
Yes.
Lot of people don't prefer mixing things.
Right, right.
So as a trainer, what do you
Yeah.
think? Like what do you advise? कि some people say yoga करने से weight training नहीं करना चाहिए, ये restriction होता है.
Yeah.
So how do you segregate? Do you have clients who are segregated, or they do a mix?
Yeah. So most of my clients prefer all forms of workout.
Okay.
They know that I am trained and am qualified to provide them all
So
kinds
tell
of
me something,
discipline.
sorry.
Yeah.
Do you convince them to get in this way, or do you plan their workout this way, or they are the ones who make a choice?
Right. So in most cases, you know, they prefer that something different every day. Okay. Now I have to tell you something. 98% of my clients are women.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So.
That was my next question.
Yeah. So they love to dance. So they love Zumba. They love to stretch. So they love yoga. You know, functional workout helps them get ripped, lose weight really, really fast.
Right.
So functional workouts, burpees, jumping jacks, etc. That they like. And Pilates is a lot of core workout, and everybody wants a flat stomach, right? So there's a combination of everything, and most of my clients prefer it that way. I have 1 or 2 clients who are suffering from back problems. They prefer yoga, and I myself give them only yoga. But my target is to take them to a place where they can do more than just one.
So I think my next question, you already channelized that question. See, this videos are totally on motivation.
Right.
Okay? Because a lot of people are yet to start coming out of their houses because everyone says time nahi hai, no Monday karenge, New Year mein karenge ye wo. So what would be your message as you know we are reaching Diwali now, like you know there'll be a kind of a slowdown and New Year comes in and then resolution comes in. The people keep on thinking like 40 plus women and all these days I think are fitter than the younger generation.
Absolutely.
Okay, so what is your message for women, especially how would you encourage them, like you know, advise them to come out of their homes, you know, and join gyms and work out?
Right. So for women, my message would be that if you want to stay young for many, many years, then you need to start working out right now. Because women are the ones who suffer from maximum problems, bone degeneration problem, hormonal changes problems, and you know a host of other issues. And that is because, especially in our country, women do not give importance to working out.
Right.
Okay, I've been working out for the last 20 years, but forget that. Even if you start right now, it's good enough. But you need to start right now, whatever age you are. Yeah.
So, how's the balance in your batches generally? Is more of 40 plus or the younger generation?
So I have a mix. I even have 6-year-old kids coming for my classes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but you know, like you said, I have seen women who are 40 plus are more enthusiastic than the younger lot. Because I'll tell you why. The younger lot feel हम तो अभी fit हैं, हमारे पास बहुत time है. That is wrong. That is where they are going wrong. It will become too late if they keep waiting, and then you know obesity sets in, lethargy sets in, children, household, and they will never get time. Okay. So the younger generation needs to start immediately so that it becomes a habit. You know.
So friends, as you heard from Swati, I have known her for, as I said at the beginning, nearly 2 decades now, and I've seen her transform. I think she's looking fantabulous, and she's looking younger and fitter. And believe me, I mean, because I've seen the progression happening, that's why I can really vouch in front of her. And with a combination, when your trainer has a background which is involved with Pilates, which involves yoga, which involves functional training, Latin dancing, traditional dancing, there's a lot of innovation. I'm sure you know you can innovate a lot of things because you're so specialized, everything inside you, which you can make it so interesting, right? So Swati, one last message to everyone from 99 Workouts for Diwali, of course, like you know, how would you like to convey a very motivational kind of message from your side that you know they start training or doing some kind of exercise, especially for moms?
Right. For mothers, I would say you require more energy because you have children at home and you stand as an example to them. Only when you are fit is that you're sending a message to them that they need to be fit and strong always. So start working out for the mommy especially. Start working out right now so that your children looking at you as a motivation start doing it. I get them along with you, work out along with them. You know.
So rightly said, आपने सुना स्वाति जी ने बोला कि साथ में फैमिली जब एक साथ आती है और एक मोटिवेटर रहता है घर पे जो वर्कआउट स्टार्ट करते हैं उसको देखकर लोग फॉलो करते हैं, चेंजेस दिखते हैं, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है, तो एक हेल्दी लिविंग, एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल की तरफ आपकी पूरी फैमिली चल पड़ती है. तो आज के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद बोलूँगा स्वाति को, क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल होता है सब लोगों के शेड्यूल में फिट करना, वो भी वीक डे पे. शी has just finished her entire day and I had to catch her here today. Swati, thank you so much.
Thank you,
I've met you
Tushar.
after ages and you have, believe me, as a fitness professional, I can say that you have made the right choice. Tough times are there, but the toughest survive, always.
Yeah.
So thank you so much once again from 99 Workouts. Keep watching 99 Workouts and believe me, you are going to have a guest coming in after Swati with a new inside story. Cheers.